Contestant number 12, Miss Tuitui Fashion, Titania Tiara Monic Matekuolava. Miss Titania's talent tonight is to show you her field of strength that God has blessed her greatly with. Knowledge to accomplish the things she set out to do, to study, to be passionate about so much in the last few years of her life. That looks familiar. Nursing is what she is passionate about. She graduated with a bachelor's of nursing to be able to serve those who are in need physically and mentally. She wants to show her caring nature and willingness to help the people of Tonga, from the youngest to those of old age. Living in New Zealand, she has come to appreciate her Tongan heritage and culture. Titania loves sports to maintain her health and her healthy physique. As a nurse, she's able to balance out her life at work with outdoor activities. And modeling is something that she also would like to share with you tonight. She will be wearing a three different outfits, one for her modeling inspired by Tommy Hilfiger, also a Versace-inspired outfit worn by supermodel Naomi Campbell, which is a two-piece skirt. And these two standout pieces were the canvas and leather crop jacket, knitted checkerboard look of a long pants into long skirt. Okay, so for those of you fashion designers who are watching in the audience, I'll learn to a bit better describe pieces that are given to us. But ladies and gentlemen, our contestant will show you her many talents, and her passions range from nursing to modeling. And with no further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tuitui Fashion, Titania Tiara Monic Matekuolava.
I am Titania Tiara Monic Matekuolava. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very grateful to share with you my talent, my happiness, my passions, my love, and my world. All blessings from God above. Born and raised here, I'm a pure Tongan girl. Back here tonight, connected to where I start. Though living and studying in New Zealand, my roots remain close to my heart. My future profession, nursing, to always help, to nurture, to give hope, to be there for all, the unwell, elderly, especially our future, the children, but sometimes lack of, for our world, especially in the Pacific and here in Tonga. Always in need, contributing my part, starting inside me, I'll lead. My personal message is that to live your life, you must discipline it, quoted by Florence Nightingale. To lead a healthy lifestyle, you need a healthy attitude. Having completed my bachelor's in nursing, I learned that life is a splendid gift. There is nothing small in it, for the greatest things grow by God's law, out of the smallest. Representing all my sisters here tonight, we are born ready, naturally. Never give up on yourself. Thankful for the honor and platform I am in tonight, being a part of this Heilala festival. So, let me strike you a pose of my life on the catwalk.
Feel the adrenaline moving into my skin. It's an addiction. Sound is my remedy, feeding me energy.
Hello, Tony Foki, Ari Ari, Moimoi ko motolo. Ako catwalk i Taibini Puka Stacy, behalve na post. Doe dat de tapati ko Stacy. Tapati taha. Behalve na post ya de ka iteu ma ke na dali. Mes Tuitui fashion ka ni de ko nga mo ani ni taleniti ko motolo. Papa pita nga ibala ko ni variari de na design ni papa pita mo kamo mo ita ha dito. Ko nga no wa ni ai Tareniti o Miss Tuitui fashion ai motolo. Keu ko ia dai ni bala ko ia manata beach wear. Pataha pe mo riai pe mo kapakau pe moi hangena manpuna. Ayo riai na ko ia catwalk I he funga Stacy I he tonga. Taka toia taleniti ko ia o Miss Pose Kadaki Miss Tuitui's fashion Titania Tiara Monic
Titania graduated
Matekuolava.
from Manukau Institute of Technology with her BA in nursing. She's currently employed as a manager at the Coffee Club and comes to us at the age of 22 from Auckland, New Zealand.